Hey everyone! With AI text generators like ChatGPT becoming so common, you might be wondering how to tell if something was written by a human or an AI. Today, we're checking out a tool that claims to do just that, the AI Detector app. First things first, let's grab it from the Microsoft Store. One of the nice things about Microsoft Store apps is the super simple installation. It downloads and sets itself up automatically in the background, so no extra steps are needed from you. Once it's ready, just hit the open button to launch it and dive in. Alright, so when you open the app, you'll get a quick introduction to its features. The app then offers you the chance to analyze one piece of text for free, which is perfect for a quick test drive. To really put it through its paces, I've gone ahead and generated some text using ChatGPT. We're going to use this known AI-generated content to see just how accurate this detector really is. Let's find out if it can spot the robot. The process is super straightforward. You just paste the text you want to check directly into the analysis window. After a few seconds of processing, the program gives you its verdict. It doesn't just say yes or no, it displays a clear percentage score. This score represents the likelihood that the content was generated by an AI, giving you a pretty good idea of its origin and whether it was written by a human. So, there you have it, a quick look at the AI Detector app. It's a simple tool for a very modern problem, and it's interesting to see how it performs. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and for more software tutorials and tech tips like this, subscribe to the Easy Digital Life channel. Thanks for watching.